After almost a decade, when Samsung and Google surprised us at the Google I/O conference with the unwrapping of the Gear Live, an Android watch were to help the platform launch. This was the same I/O conference where we got the LG G Watch and the first look at the original Moto 360. It was early days when Android Wear was not Wear OS yet, and there was no idea how the platform would evolve or which players would come and go. When first revealed, the Samsung Gear Live was nice enough with a rectangular display, but the Moto 360 stole the show, thanks to a circular display and overall higher end design. Now it seems Samsung may be looking at design motivation for the upcoming Galaxy watches with the squarish design. The source suggests that the company is looking at it, but they are not sure if it will come up with the upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 launch or later. But it's very interesting to see Samsung to go back to the design. But the first thing that will come to people's mind that, oh, this Galaxy Watch is now an Apple Watch clone. Apple, yes, ignored the early pressure from the smartwatch industry whose design trend was adopting circular watches. Now it seems Apple will get very big credit if they stick with the rectangular design, as it shows information better than rounded displays do. But if Samsung goes back to the square shaped watches, it might be form an interesting competition with Apple, and people will compare the design. As you know, the new generation of Samsung phones is looking a lot like the iPhones with squarish flat frames.